Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I am going to talk about hanging drop technique. So far we have learnt about different staining techniques, like we have studied about simple positive staining technique, simple negative staining technique, capsule staining, spore staining, gram staining, acid fast staining, etc. Right? But sometimes staining is not required. As I told you earlier that these microorganisms are very small in size, and as we can't directly visualize them, we are going to stain them in order to visualize them under a microscope. But if the microorganism is large, then we don't need to go with this staining technique. Moreover, with the help of this hanging drop technique, we can easily observe the motility of an organism. Motility means movement of the organism, right? So generally when we talk about the ultrastructure of bacteria, there we are going to learn about the flagella. So due to the presence of this flagella, bacteria will show the motility, and moreover the bacteria are classified based on the presence of this flagella, like we call Etrichus, Monotrichus, Lophotrichus, Peritrichus and Amphitrichus. That I'll talk in detail when we talk about the ultrastructure of bacteria. But right now remember that if a bacteria possesses a flagella on its surface, then it will show the motility. That means it can move from one place to the another place. That we can easily make out with the help of this hanging drop technique. The best example is Lactobacillus, which contains flagella and it is a motile organism. If you want to perform this experiment in your laboratory, simply you can use a curd sample, because curd is like a probiotic which generally contains this Lactobacillus species, right? So take a curd sample and then you go with this hanging drop technique, and when you observe the slide under the microscope, you can observe the darting movement of the microorganism. So here, especially for this hanging drop technique, instead of the normal glass slides, we generally use a depression glass slides. Okay, and moreover here we are going to use a cover slip that is coated with the petroleum jelly at the corners of the cover slip, and here we are going to apply a drop of bacterial culture, right? And this cover slip is to be placed over here. So here we are going to seal it with the help of a petroleum jelly that is going to prevent the evaporation of this bacterial culture, right? So what is this slide? This is a depression slide. Okay, and this is the cover slip, and moreover here you can observe a bacterial culture as a drop. So this drop contains a specimen that is hanging upside down under the cover slip. Okay, I'll tell you how we place this cover slip onto the glass slide when we talk in detail about the procedure. But here, once we prepare slide in such a way by placing the cover slip on the top, that is holding a bacterial suspension, it resembles like a hanging drop, right? So that is the reason we call this technique as hanging drop technique, which is especially used to observe the motility of a bacteria. Coming to the procedure of this hanging drop technique, so first we need to take a clean glass slide with a depression. See, this is how the slide looks like. Here we can apply a Vaseline or a petroleum jelly. Okay, in the next step you have to hold a clean cover slip by its edges and carefully apply Vaseline on its corners. So what you are supposed to do in the second step, you have to choose a cover slip. Just hold it from the edge of the cover slip. Now what you are supposed to do, for example, this is the cover slip. Okay, now you have to apply petroleum jelly at all the four corners with the help of a toothpick, right? Once you prepare this cover slip, what you are supposed to do in the next step, you have to place a drop of bacterial culture onto the center of the cover slip. Clear? Now we are ready with the depression glass slide, as well as now we are ready with the preparation of the bacterial suspension onto a cover slip, right? And in the next step, see, remember here one more important thing, you need to use light inoculum only. if you have a curd, you just dilute it if you want to observe the lactobacillus species. Or if you have any overnight cultures, make sure you use a fresh culture, because that inoculum should be light. If it is more turbid, please go with the dilution. For this hanging drop technique, please don't go with the inoculum which is having a visible turbidity. Just please go with the light inoculum. Right, after you place a drop of this light inoculum at the center of the cover slip, what you are going to do in the next step is, now you have a glass slide, right? You have to turn it and place it on the top of this cover slip. So we have already applied the Vaseline over here, right? So this petroleum jelly or Vaseline will seal the cover slip onto this glass slide. So there will be no evaporation of this bacterial culture. Okay, for example, this is your cover slip. So assume that you are having a cover slip over here. Now you have a depression glass slide. What you are supposed to do is, you have to turn it back and then you place it onto this cover slip, right? So in the next step, that's what I mentioned here. Turn the prepared glass slide upside down over the drop on the cover slip so that the Vaseline seals the cover slip, right? So now we are ready with this slide. So what you have done, you have turned the glass slide and then you have placed it onto this cover slip. Now what you are supposed to do, you have to examine the slide under the microscope, right? Now you are going to turn back this slide so that your cover slip will be on the top of this slide. So once you turn the glass slide, so here there will be a Vaseline which seals the cover slip. So this is how the cover slip will be, and the bacterial suspension will be over here. This is how it actually looks like. Once you turn the slide, you just leave it for 1 minute. Allow the organism to settle. And now it is ready to observe under the microscope. When you observe this slide under the microscope, you are going to focus the center region, right? So if your test sample contains a motile organism, you can easily observe the motility of an organism. See, where you can get a result of the presence of the motile organism, which will change their position with respect to one another. And moreover, the microorganisms which show the motility will appear as a tiny dots darting in and out of the field. This is all about the hanging drop technique. Thank you so much.